Hi guys, welcome to my channel Venky's GK Bank. This is an excellent platform to prepare for your IAS, IPS and other competitive exams. We provide competitive questions with the latest edition. You will be given 10 seconds to choose the right answer. So without any further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. What is India's GDP growth rate for the year FY20 as estimated by the World Bank? Your options are A 6%, B 5.4%, C 5.6%, D 5.8%. Your time starts now. The right answer is D 5.8%. Question number 2. Which company recently announced to offer guidance to 15 tech startup companies from 5 Indian states? A. Google, B. Microsoft, C. Amazon, D. Flipkart. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Microsoft. Question number 3. What is India's GDP growth rate for the current fiscal as estimated by the International Monetary Fund IMF? A 4.6%, B 4.8%, C 5%, D 5.2%. Your time starts now. The right answer is B 4.8%. Question number 4. Which banker of India has been named as the Central Banker of the Year, Asia Pacific 2020 by the Bankers magazine? A. Shaktikanta Das, B. Raghuram Rajan, C. Urjit Patel, D. Viral Acharya. Your time starts now. The right answer is Shaktikanta Das. Question number 5. CARO 2020, which was in news recently, is associated with which field? A. Coronavirus outbreak, B. Clinical conference, C. Automobile conference, D. Regulations for companies. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. Regulations for companies. Question number 6. KASH is a mutual fund platform of which smartphone manufacturer? A. Xiaomi, B. Oppo, C. Realme, D. Vivo. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Oppo. Question number 7. Which Indian institution is to infuse Rs. 7250 crore into Yes Bank as per the reconstruction plan of the Reserve Bank of India? A. Life Insurance Corporation of India, B. State Bank of India, C. HDFC Limited, D. ICICI Limited. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. State Bank of India. Question number 8. Which is the first bank in India to launch a mobile application for opening a current account? A. IndusInd Bank, B. ICICI Bank, C. HDFC Bank, D. Axis Bank. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. IndusInd Bank. Question number 9. What is the corpus of the Payment Infrastructure Development Fund PIDF proposed to set up by the Reserve Bank of India RBI? A. Rupees 100 crore, B. Rupees 200 crore, C. Rupees 500 crore, D. Rupees 1000 crore. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Rupees 500 crore. Question number 10. Which social media platform is set to partner with banks to expand rural banking services in India? A. Telegram, B. Twitter, C. WhatsApp, D. Snapchat. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. WhatsApp. Question number 11. Which country exempted import inspection for Indian black tiger shrimps? A. Japan, B. Australia, C. United Kingdom, D. South Korea. Your time starts now. The right answer is A, Japan. Question number 12. Which financial institution has approved 4 India projects including Chhattisgarh Chirag and DRIP 2? A, World Bank, B, AIIB, C, ADB, D, IMF. Your time starts now. The right answer is A, World Bank. Question number 13. Which company has signed pact with Airport Authority of India AAI to manage 3 airports including that in Thiruvananthapuram? A, Larsen and Toubro, B, Tata Group, C, Reliance Group, D, Adani Group. Your time starts now. The right answer is D, Adani Group. Question number 14. Which institution has launched a new risk-based internal audit RBIA system for non-banking finance companies? A, Ministry of Finance, B, Bombay Stock Exchange, C, RBI, D, SEBI. Your time starts now. The right answer is C, RBI. Question number 15. On July 4th, 2021, which company has received a license from the Drugs Controller General for manufacturing the Sputnik V vaccine in India? A, Biocon, B, Panacea Biotech, C, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, D, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. Your time starts now. The right answer is B, Panacea Biotech. Question number 16. When is the World Rhino Day celebrated across the world? A, September 20th, B, September 22nd, C, September 24th, D, September 25th. Your time starts now. The right answer is B, September 22nd. Question number 17. According to 2020 data, what is the rank of India in millet exports? A, 3rd, B, 7th, C, 5th, D, 1st. Your time starts now. The right answer is C, 5th. Question number 18. NPCI International has signed MOU with a company of which Western country to expand RuPay card and UPI? A, Germany, B, Finland, C, France, D, Italy. Your time starts now. The right answer is C, France. Question number 19. Who has been appointed as the first chairperson of Reserve Bank Innovation Hub? A, Ratan Tata, B, Azim Premji, C, Narayan Murthy, D, Chris Gopalakrishnan. Your time starts now. The right answer is D, Chris Gopalakrishnan. Question number 20. Which institution cautioned against taking loans through unauthorized digital lending apps? A, RBI, B, Supreme Court, C, SEBI, D, NPCI. Your time starts now. The right answer is A, RBI. I hope you got some insights on how to prepare for UPSC, IAS, IPS and other civil services examination. If you like our content, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.